That takes us to financial statements. We have all the numbers. We just have to figure out where they go. So I'm going to flip it back and forth between the two tabs. So we need to start with sales. Remember, we have 9,000 and 12,000. So our units sold are 9,000 and 12,000. And I've already got it. All right, so I've already got it calculated. Our sales, remember, was $25 a unit. Materials were $2 per bag. Labor was $3 per bag. Variable overhead was $4 per bag. So I just put those in there. Our SG&A is $95,000. I could have referenced that prior tab, but here it's just as easy to type it in. And I want to include depreciation on my balance sheet or my income statement. Sorry about that. So that's my my income statement. If I wanted to total January and February together, just total it across. Nothing weird there other than my underlines in the wrong place. Okay. The balance sheet, all those little calculations we had on the side, those all come from, a lot of those go here. So your ending cash balance, let me just put an equals here and I can find it. Your ending cash balance comes from your ending cash balance. So that would be at the very bottom. Your February ending cash. Your accounts receivable is what we had over here for our sales. We had that 189. Our materials, we had some finished goods, our finished goods inventory. We had figured that out over here. Our ending finished goods is that many units times something. So I'm going to go ahead and zap that and come back. So the amount that each unit costs, it's $2 in materials, $3 for labor, $4, so $7, $8, $9. So it's $9. So we need this in dollars, not units. So this would be my actual number in dollars. So let me go back over here and point to that. All right. My materials were 50 cents each. I think I might have that. I'm going to go ahead and peek. Yeah, I've got that already figured out for me. So that's 15.2. And I could have multiplied them here, but since I had them. So total goes down to get current assets. The plant, property, and equipment of your headquarters building was $2,460,000. That was our headquarters. Our accumulated depreciation started at $940. But then if I go down here, I think I did $15,000 a month, didn't I? $15,000 a month. So plus another $30,000. I did want that to be S. All right. And I must have added these, so I want to subtract this. So my total, hopefully when I do my liabilities, equals this. Keep our fingers crossed. So my accounts payable for materials, I think I had over here somewhere. That should be under my disbursements. I had a loan outstanding that I haven't paid anything on, so that's still sitting there. My common stock hasn't changed. Beginning retained earnings is here. My income needs to be this number here, or I could have added the two. My dividends was $5,000. Cross your fingers. If these things don't balance, you're in bad shape. So all the numbers you've already had, and so you could prepare your income statement balance sheet on a budgeted basis. That's all there is.